If you're running a design agency, you already know the pain. Too many emails, lost files, and waiting days for client replies. It slows projects, kills momentum, and eats your week. That's why client portals exist. Let's look at the 10 best client portal software for design agencies and see which one fits your workflow best. Number 1. Agency Handy. When it comes to managing design projects, feedback, and billing all in one platform, Agency Handy leads the way. You can white label everything: your logo, your colors, your domain, so clients log into a space that feels like your agency, not someone else's. And here's how it works. When a client orders a service, Agency Handy automatically creates their profile, project, and invoice. No setup delays. You can manage every task from a simple Kanban board, track progress, assign designers, and see updates in real time. Clients log in anytime to check status, view designs, and leave notes directly on files. And what's more interesting is the file feedback tool. It's a lifesaver for creative teams. Clients can click on any part of a design or video, drop comments right there, and mark what needs changing. No vague, make it pop more emails. You can manage versions of each feedback too. And payments? You can send invoices, whether it's one-time or recurring, and get paid via Stripe, PayPal, Wise, crypto, and banks. So, if you want one clean, connected system that feels truly made for design agencies, Agency Handy is it. Number 2. Clinked. When security and structure matter most, Clinked keeps everything tight. It's built for agencies that need version control, permissions, and peace of mind. Clients get one branded workspace with file storage, notes, and shared calendars. They can preview design files, leave comments, and access new versions safely. You can even give them a mobile app with your branding. That's a strong first impression. It's secure, reliable, and trusted by teams that value precision. Number 3. Assembly, formerly Copilot. Assembly is built for design teams that want organization and automation. You get one dashboard for files, contracts, forms, and invoices, all in a clean, branded layout. Clients can log in, chat, approve contracts, and pay invoices, all without leaving the platform. You can collect feedback through forms, automate reminders, and accept payments via ACH or credit card. It's a premium platform, but it looks and feels premium too. For agencies ready to upgrade their client experience, Assembly is a solid bet. Number 4. SuiteDash. If you want full control and deep branding, SuiteDash is your toolkit. You can customize every detail: colors, menus, modules, even your domain and emails. Projects, proposals, invoices, onboarding, support, everything happens inside your own branded portal. The setup takes time, but once it's running, it feels like your own software. Think of SuiteDash as the all-in-one powerhouse for agencies that love automation and brand ownership. Number 5. Aligned. Aligned keeps design projects and sales proposals in one simple, shared hub. Instead of clients disappearing into long email threads, you send them a single branded link. They open it, see the mock-ups, timelines, and next steps, and can leave feedback right there. You even get engagement tracking, so you know who's actually reviewing your work. It's minimal, fast, and keeps your deals and projects moving forward. Number 6. ManyRequests. ManyRequests is made for design studios that manage ongoing client work or productized services. Each client gets a white-labeled portal to submit design requests, track progress, and pay invoices, all in one clean space. You can even create a service catalog and branded checkout pages. Clients request, pay, and get updates automatically. It's not just another portal, it's your digital front desk. Number 7. UseQueue. If you want a modern, easy-to-use client portal built around design feedback, UseQueue nails it. Clients can comment directly on videos, images, or PDFs, and your team tracks every change on a shared task board. You can even sell services on subscription or one-time plans, all tied to active projects. The whole experience feels smooth, clean, and collaborative. Overall, UseQueue keeps communication visual, not verbal, perfect for designers. Number 8. Doc. Doc gives creative agencies a high-end, branded portal that feels like a digital studio for clients. Inside, you can organize design assets, checklists, and timelines, all in one structured hub. Clients can see every stage of progress and leave comments where it matters. It also tracks engagement, so you know when clients review files or skip updates. Overall, Doc is polished, data-driven, and perfect for agencies that value presentation. Number 9. Softr. If you like no-code tools, Softr lets you build your own branded client portal. Fast, drag and drop everything: pages, client dashboards, and payment forms. You can connect it to Airtable or Google Sheets to sync real-time project data. It's flexible, stylish, and gives smaller studios a scalable way to create professional client experiences without coding a thing. Number 10. Motion.io. Motion.io takes collaboration to the next level. No logins, no friction. Clients get a branded magic link where they can approve designs, upload files, and respond to tasks instantly. It automates reminders, organizes tasks, and keeps creative projects moving without micromanagement. Designers love how clean it feels. Clients love not needing passwords. It's fast, practical, and built for agencies that value client simplicity. Every design agency deserves a client experience that feels seamless. Whether you value security, branding, or automation, the best client portal is the one that matches how you actually work. But if you want one workspace that connects your clients, files, feedback, and billing, Agency Handy brings it all together.